In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 robot vacuums available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best robot vacuums. The 5th product on our list is the Shark Ion Robot AV73. Are you tired of doing all the routine surface cleaning at home by yourself? It would be best if you had a powerful robot vacuum like the Shark Ion, which is equipped with 3 brushes, a powerful side brush, a channel brush for channeling debris into its dust bin, and an all-purpose brush roll for getting rid of dust and dirt from surfaces. It has a high-tech cliff sensors at the base. This helps it to detect stairs and avoid falling. Its proximity sensor ensures that it cleans around home furniture carefully to avoid damaging them. These sensors also ensure that your robot vacuum does not get stuck in a corner. We like that the Shark is very easy to maintain after use. All you need to do is press a button, and the dirt will be ejected from its dustbin. One remarkable feature of Shark that every homeowner will appreciate is its ability to take voice commands. Using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant application, you can command your robot vacuum to start or stop cleaning. We also like that with the Shark app, you can control this robot vacuum on your phone and do things like set it to start working for about 2 hours and reschedule a cleaning time for it to start working again later on. It is built with the latest technology for powerful suction. That is why it never misses a spot. It gets all surfaces at home clean and sparkling within a short time. When buying a robot vacuum, one of the things to look out for is its profile. This robot vacuum has a low profile that allows it to go under furniture and thoroughly clean. Its pros are, it has a 1-year limited warranty, it has a rubber-coated bumper, and it has powerful spinning side brushes. However, it may be too heavy for you to carry around. Shark Ion Robot Vacuum is built to help homeowners get rid of dust and debris from all surfaces at home without sweating. Up next in 4th place is the Shark IQ Robot Self-Empty XL. This is a robot vacuum with a range of innovative and time-saving features that we think will make anyone's life easier. It clears both small and large debris on your floor without missing a spot. Its angled brushes by the sides ensure a thorough cleaning around the edges by digging deep into every corner. When you download the Shark Clean app on your mobile phone, you can use it to select a room for your robot vacuum to clean, or you can set up a whole house cleaning routine for it. Using the Amazon Alexa app or Google Assistant app, you can give a voice command to your Shark IQ to clean without lifting a finger. After a scheduled cleaning, this robot vacuum returns to the base for recharging, and if any work is left unfinished, it returns and picks up from where it stopped after a recharge. Unlike so many robot vacuums in the market that get their brushes tangled and destroyed by hair, Shark IQ is self-cleaning. It cleans out any hair stuck in its brushes automatically. Moreover, its cliff sensors detect any cliff-like scene and stop or change direction to avoid falling. Its proximity sensor also enables it to detect when an object is close, so that it can maneuver its way around without bumping into things in your home. Best of all, it can hold dirt for 45 days, which it empties into a bagless base, so you can use this robot vacuum for over 1 month without needing to empty its waste bin. Its pros are, it has a 1-year limited warranty, it has a durable lithium-ion battery, and it doesn't need to be emptied regularly. However, its cons are, it generates noise when on hard floors, and total home mapping takes time, even with the Shark Clean app. The Shark IQ is a self-emptying robot vacuum built to suck up large and small debris on the floor at home and in offices. Still haven't found a robot vacuum that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the iRobot Roomba J7. This iRobot Roomba robot vacuum is one of the smartest robot vacuums on the market today. We like that the robot vacuum is built with the latest iRobot technology to recognize common objects around the house, like footwear, socks, and even kids' toys. It is also programmed to avoid some mess like a pet's poo, which can get robots' vacuums messy. This robot vacuum takes pictures of any obstacle encountered while cleaning. This will enable you to clear the obstacles and give your robot vacuum access to different areas. You can also set it to keep away from a specific area in your home to ensure that it doesn't suck up some important things like bills. What's more, all its sensors are super sensitive, so you don't have to worry about it falling off the step or bumping into objects. It is built with the most advanced technology to get every corner and edges clean. Lastly, we like that by using the Amazon Alexa app or Google Assistant app, you can command your iRobot to get a mess cleaned up as soon as it happens without even lifting a finger. Its pros are, it has immensely powerful lifting suction, it has a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, and it is robustly made. However, it requires a Wi-Fi connection to work properly. This powerful Roomba J7 robot vacuum is built to help homeowners carry out all the cleaning that ordinary vacuums in the market cannot do. The second product on our list is the Eufy RoboVac X8. This unit is built with twin turbine technology to deliver 2000 PA X2 suction power for sucking up debris of all sizes from your floor and surfaces. It uses laser path navigation to detect every nook and cranny of your home, thereby mapping out your house with high precision. You can also get a no-go zone for your robot vacuum to keep it away from sensitive areas of your home that you don't want it in, like your bathroom. Furthermore, the Eufy robot vacuum has a rolling brush that sticks very close to the surface so as to be able to suck up dirt from in between tiles and little cracks. We like that it has Boost IQ features that allow it to detect different surface types and automatically change its suction power to suit the surface type. When it comes to power efficiency, the Eufy is leading the competition with its durable battery that can last for up to 3 hours of continuous work after charging. It is also built to detect a low battery life and automatically goes back to base for quick battery top-up before going back to work. Lastly, it has voice-activated controls that enable you to speak to it for more convenience. Its pros are, it has a 12-month warranty, it has cleaning tools for maintaining it, and it has a long-lasting battery. However, it has no remote control. The Eufy RoboVac X8 is a nice and efficient robot vacuum built for people that want to keep surfaces sparkling at all times in their homes and workplace, but have no time to do so. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top robot vacuum is the Roborock S7 Plus. If you want to attract more customers to your small business, like a restaurant, without hiring a janitor, get a Roborock S7 Plus robot vacuum as it gets every surface spotless. Alternatively, if you just want your home to stay clean for once without dragging out a vacuum cleaner, this unit is also a great option. It is built with the latest sonic floor cleaning technology to scrub 3,000 times more than ordinary robot vacuums in the market. The S7 Plus detects carpets automatically and selects the cleaning mode most suitable for it. You can also set it to avoid carpets. Its built-in LiDAR navigation system helps you map out your house with accuracy, making it possible for you to select a room for it to clean with utmost precision. We also like that this robot vacuum has child lock features that ensure your child and pets do not accidentally turn it on. When it comes to versatility in cleaning, S7 Plus has it all. With so many cleaning options, it can handle any surface. For instance, the wet mopping option helps to scrub dry dirt from floors, while the powerful brush rotation enables it to lift stubborn dirt from short pile carpet. What's more, thanks to its sensors, you don't have to worry about it falling off a staircase or bumping into objects. It also goes back to a base for quick top-up when battery life gets too low. Lastly, the most outstanding feature of this robot vacuum is its self-emptying capacity. You don't have to worry about emptying its dustbin for up to 120 days. Its pros are, it is intelligently designed, it does not generate much noise, it has a range of cleaning options, and it only needs to be emptied every few months. However, it goes into sleep mode when it gets stuck, so it is sometimes hard to find. The Roborock S7 Plus robot vacuum is built for small business owners and homeowners to help them keep their floors clean and inviting with minimal effort. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.